hard enough though, like, but yeah. All right, bet. So it's just my first and last name to just started it, so yeah, on the come up, but. What's going on, fitness fan, man? It's your boy Reed, the Fitness Freak, and I'm already at Crush Fitness with it. I'm about to get this back workout in. I'm going to do some weighted pull-ups, but it's going to be tough, but hey, you know what I say, no pain, no gain, so let's get it. I'm aiming for 10. I'm feeling a little weak today, but let's see how it goes. All right, that's one set down. Feels pretty good. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, second set. One more. All right, got one more. I think I only got wait for me in this next set. Oh man, it's tough. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. Yeah. Alright, so next what we're gonna do, we're gonna do some rows into RDL. You know, and I like this one because one of them focus on the upper back and the other one focus on the lower back. So we kind of getting a 2-for-1 for sure. All in one motion, but this is what we got. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 10. All right, second set, let's get it. That's it. Let's get it. One more. For this next one, this particular machine, just keep in mind, like, different hand placements work on different muscles of the back. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start off and do, I would say, about 6 to 8 with this grip. Then we're gonna go with the inside grip. Then we're gonna go with the outside. Then we're gonna go inside like this. And that's one set. We're gonna do this 3 times. But yeah, let's get it. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's one set. All right, second set. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. God damn. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more set. Last set, y'all. Let's get it. Come on, Reed. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. 8. And one thing to keep in mind, try hard not to like lean back. I kind of did it a few times, but try your hardest to keep your chest and everything against the pad as you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. God. Whew. Last one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, reach. Get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more. 8. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do that pull-ups. let's get it. All right, set 2. Let's get it. All right, one more set. Folks, there you have it, man. Just a little, slight, quick back workout and all of that. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the Vibe. But until then, man, I'm gonna definitely catch you on the next one. Peace out.